Are you struggling to pay your bills? Are you searching to find happiness? Or perhaps your health seems to be deteriorating, and it seems like your prayers are not being answered? Continue watching this video to learn about the divine prayer. You are about to find out about this well-kept secret that will open doors of prosperity and abundance faster than you will believe. Studies have shown that suicide rates have spiked by 36%. The reason why is because more people now more than ever are not living a fulfilling life. People are grappling with depression, wrestling with scarcity, fighting with tense relationships. You are not alone. Millions are facing this same crisis. A group of neuroscientists at Stanford researched the part of the brain that controls creativity and learning, the hippocampus. This part of the brain that is pivotal to making your wildest dreams come true. They have discovered that the hippocampus has the potential to transform your life completely. By clicking the link below, explore how a simple tweak in your everyday routine can bring about significant changes in your life by learning a divine 1-minute prayer. This daily method has been linked to the one and only Leonardo da Vinci. While painting the Mona Lisa, he would listen and recite these words. Throughout history, all the great leaders and achievers have something in common. This method has been around since the ancient times. It was kept a secret, coveted and suppressed to all commoners. Look no further. Now it's being shared with the world. This prayer will give you everything you want, happiness, health, and wealth, now. Once you hear this divine prayer, you will finally break the curse of poverty, love, and health, quickly. There are hundreds of testimonials stating how this prayer has changed the lives of countless individuals. Take Maria E. from Fairview Park, New York, for instance, who shared, "The divine prayer has been my gift in disguise, offering healing for my mind, hope for my heart, and harmony for my life. It's more than a program. It's been my beacon of light amidst challenging times." Click on the link so you too can discover this one simple ritual you can start using today to manifest your dreams. It's a path that is not only about self-discovery and holistic growth, but also about revealing your limitless potential. You will be taught how to apply this simple method every day for 1 minute a day. No matter where you are or who you are, prepare yourself to manifest health, wealth, and happiness in abundance for the life with this life-changing 1-minute prayer. Quickly, click on the link below to learn more.